Hi loves, hi beautiful people. I especially welcome you all to Macoms Veg Kitchen. Once again, thank you so much for always returning to watch our videos. You guys are my MVPs. Thank you so much. So in today's video, trust me, you're totally going to enjoy it. We're making fruit salad. Stick and stay till the end. So for the ingredients, I have kiwi, mango, apples, banana, powdered milk, strawberry, pineapple, sugar, honey, oranges, and custard powder. Let's get started. Into a clean glass bowl, I add my powdered milk and add just a little bit of water, room temperature water, and then I stir it till everything dissolves and I have no lumps in it at all. I keep stirring it continuously until everything is properly dissolved. Then I go ahead to bring it to a boil on a medium-low heat in a clean pot. Just after adding it, I keep stirring it. I stir it continuously until it begins to steam or boil. I then leave it for some minutes on fire and then I get back to dissolve my custard powder as well. So I add just a little bit, about 3 teaspoons or tablespoonful of custard powder in a bowl. I add just a little bit of water, room temperature, and then I keep stirring it until everything dissolves. Make sure there are no lumps in it. Just when I have the perfect texture, I go ahead to add it to my boiling or my steaming powdered milk on fire. Just after addition, I keep stirring it. I continuously stir it to avoid any lumps. Guys, this point is totally needed. You need to keep stirring it, else it's going to form lumps in it. So I repeat the stirring process, and then just after a few minutes, I go ahead to add my sugar. I added just a tablespoonful. I also go in with my honey. Guys, be generous with your honey. I love honey a lot, so I went in with about 3 tablespoonfuls. So I repeat the stirring process. I stir until I realized it was becoming thick. You need to be extra patient with custard. Just when you decide to look away, you'll come back and realize there are lumps in it. So just be patient, relax for it, treat it like your baby, and just stir it until you have it all perfect. So after about 10 minutes, I realized my custard was perfectly cooked. So I took it off from fire and then I set it aside to cool off. And just look at how the color came out so beautifully. I just cover it a little bit and allow it to cool off. So this custard is basically the fruit dressing or the fruit salad cream, if I may call it so. Now to the main action. I'm going to be prepping all the fruits that are going to be used. Mind you, all the fruits are washed thoroughly. And then if you're allergic to any fruit, do well to stay off it. Use fruits of your choice. Guys, you don't have to necessarily use all the fruits that I'm using. Use any fruit of your choice so that you'll be able to enjoy this perfectly. So to start off, I go ahead to prep my bananas. I dice it off beautifully. And guys, did you know bananas are one of the best fruit sources of vitamin B6? Bananas helps the body to produce red blood cells, metabolize carbohydrates and fats, metabolize amino acids, It also removes unwanted chemicals from your liver and kidneys and maintain a healthy nervous system. After cutting my bananas beautifully, I add it to my beautiful salad bowl and then I set it aside. I then go ahead with my next fruit, which is the red apples. I like to divide my apple into 2 halves and then I de-seed it and cut it into my preferred sizes. Did you guys know that apple helps keep the teeth healthy and white? Now you know if you didn't know. That's the natural way. So instead of doing laser, you can spare more money and then have your teeth whitened the natural way. It also decreases the risk of diabetes. It keeps the heart healthy. It prevents gallstone formation. It also beats constipation and diarrhea. It helps manage irritable bowel syndrome and it aids in weight loss. So do well to consume more apples and come back and thank me later. I repeat same process for the green apples as well. And mind you, green apples has got its own health benefits, some of which are: it's a great source of fiber, it has low fat content, it helps to strengthen the bones, and it is a rich source of vitamins A and C. It's also good for vision and it decreases the chance of developing type 2 diabetes. It's also a great source of antioxidants. We are having a healthy meal. I continue with my next fruit, which is mango. Mangoes are my absolute favorite. If you know me, you know every time mangoes are in season, you're definitely going to find it in my fridge. Always. I love mangoes. Oh my god. So I like to peel my mangoes beautifully and then dice it into nice cubes. Now let me tell you why I love mangoes. Eating mango is a great way to improve your skin from the inside out. Mangoes are rich in vitamin C, which plays a major role in skin health and may even help reduce the signs of aging. I can 100% attest to this. Mangoes are also packed with nutrients. It's low in calories. It may help prevent diabetes and it contains immune boosting nutrients. Guys, if you want that beautiful glow, eat a lot of mangoes. Next in line is our beautiful kiwi. I like to trim the top and the bottom and go ahead to slice it after I'm done peeling it. Kiwis help protect cardiovascular system and the respiratory system as well. It provides digestive enzymes. It helps manage blood pressure and remove excess sodium. It supports pregnancy, boosts immunity, prevents cancer, and also protects the eyes. And just when I'm done with it, I add it to my fruits in my beautiful salad bowl and just look at the beautiful colors. I go ahead with my strawberry, and with the strawberry it's quite easy. I just trim the leafy part and then go ahead to cut it up beautifully. Strawberries also fights bad cholesterol. It acts as an antioxidant. It's helpful in pregnancy and promotes prenatal health. It boosts immunity and it promotes eye health. It cures allergies and asthma and maintains diabetes, arthritis, and gout. I go ahead with my next fruit, which is pineapple. I peel off my pineapple nicely and then I cut it into fine shapes and sizes. Pineapples provide plenty of nutrients. It promotes tissue healing, it fights inflammation, it aids in digestion, it relieves arthritis pain, and it may help with weight loss. It also helps cure cold and cough. So guys, whenever you are done with cold and cough, you may want to have just a glass of pineapple juice or just have it like that, and trust me, you're going to be relieved. And just when I'm done with the pineapple, I add it all to my plate, and just look at how beautiful it's coming out. Just look at the colors. I have my national colors. I have red, yellow, green. Oh my god. And to the last fruit of the day, oranges. I prep my oranges by peeling it, and then I divide it into halves, and then I dice it beautifully. Oranges are a great source of vitamin C. I believe we all know that oranges can reduce blood pressure, it can improve your digestive health, it can improve your brain health, and it may reduce kidney stones. Oranges are rich in vitamins and minerals. And just when I'm done, I bring it to my plate, and just look at that. Beautiful colors, highly nutritious and delicious. So I decide to stir it all up. And guys, if you decide to have it like this, it's still gonna be delicious. You can even make it into a smoothie, but at this point I go ahead to bring our custard and just spread it all over it. Yes, this is our dressing or our fruit salad cream. I add the custard to my fruit and I give it a stir, and just look at it. Trust me on the taste. This came out so delicious. If you do not want to have it with the dressing, you can totally have it like that or make it into smoothie. But try this one and you're totally going to love it. So I added more of the custard because I wanted it to be so rich, and there I have it. I decided to give it extra touch by just dripping honey on it. And just look at it. I made my own design. I drizzled honey on it, and it took the taste from 0 to 100. Just look at how beautiful my fruit salad is looking. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Definitely try your hands on this and let me know how it tastes in the comment section. Don't forget to share this video with your loved ones and let them become a part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much for sticking and staying. And until I see you in my next one, stay beautiful, stay positive. Subscribe if you haven't. Bye, guys.